Social media apps like TikTok and Instagram are Bonnie and Clyde of our digital lives. They steal our attention, murder our concentration, and leave us feeling disgusted with ourselves at the end of the day. And yet, we can't seem to fight back because they are designed to keep us hooked. But what if that changed? Imagine this, you open Instagram, but instead of diving into an endless scroll, it redirects to your Books app, encouraging you to read. Or maybe it opens your Reminders app, giving you a nudge to tackle your pending tasks. Sounds magical, right? Well, it's not, it's automation. And today I will show you how to set it up. Launch the Shortcuts app on your iPhone and open the Automation tab. Tap the new Automation button or the plus button in the top right corner, search for the app action and add it to the automation. Now use the choose button to select all the apps that waste your time. I will select Instagram and Reddit. Tap the done button to save the changes. Select the run immediately option and ensure that notify when run option is unchecked. Tap on next and choose the new blank automation option. Search for the open app action and add it to the shortcut. Tap on the empty app section and choose the app you want to open. I will select the Reminders app, but you can select Books, Notes or any other productivity app of your choice. Finally, tap the done button to save the automation. And that's it. Now every time I launch Instagram or Reddit, the automation will automatically redirect to the Reminders app. Instead of doom scrolling, it will remind me of my due tasks so I can work on them. It's an easy automation that you can create to save hours of your time and 10x your productivity. If you like this guide, click here to check out how you can manage your iPhone clipboard with a simple shortcut. I will see you there. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.